Hi, my name is Uday Kumar Satisilan, metric number 211090989. So now I will be presenting about the electrical energy audit that we have conducted for this assessment. SULAM. SULAM stands for Service Learning Malaysia, which was introduced by Ministry of Higher Education MOHE back in 2016 as an approach for a high impact educational practices. These practices are all about enriching the curriculum and making education more engaging and introduce students to the world of electrical energy auditing. For this assessment, which is under the subject of electrical energy utilization, which is under UNIMAP, we, the electrical engineering students, are required to conduct an electrical energy audit to gain practical experience. We are a group of 4 to 5 students, electrical engineering students from UNIMAP. So, how do we identify the using objects are energy efficient? So, we look at this rating, which aided us for the analysis in this assessment. If you look here, the least star refers to the less efficient, and the most or the 5 star at the most refers to the highest energy efficient rating for an electrical appliances. So this is the background for our assessment. So first of all, we conducted our energy audit at a t-shirt printing shop. The owner's name is Yu Song Leong, and it's located at Alusta. There are 14 workers, 8 rooms, and 2 floors. And this is the layout of the office building. On the left is the ground floor, and on the right is the first floor. So, this is the monthly electric bill of the premise for past 6 months, all the way from December to May. We have taken 6 months of data to analyze it and get an output to analyze their energy efficiency. So here we have tabulated to present the data clearly. So these are some of our pictures that we are taken during our energy audit at the printing shop.
Have a great day, everyone. My name is Timmy Chiu. I'm a student from Faculty Electrical. Okay, so I will cover the energy audit activity. For the activity is at the 8th June on Saturday. Okay, so basically the place that we audit is a factory, and the name of the factory is Late Brothers in Berhad. Okay, so there is several equipment they use in the factory. Then, for example, like the common use is a aircon split unit, LED lamp, wall fan, and they still have some heavy duty equipment. So let's get started with the audit checklist that we will know what equipment they use. So in this factory, there's 2 story. One is ground floor and another is first floor. Okay, so start with the ground floor. There's a sewing machine. Okay, so the sewing machine overall estimate is 13.2 kilowatt hour. And by the way, for all the equipment that we estimate is depend on operation time, which means is the working hour with 8 hour. Okay, so next is a aircon split unit with 1 unit in with 28.128 kilowatt hour, and a solenoid iron with 1 unit with 6.4 kilowatt hour. Okay, so there's a equipment with a roller transfer printing machine. So basically for the red power is the 28 kilowatt hour kilowatt, and for total operation per day is 224 kilowatt hour. And the next is air pressure cloth cutter. So this equipment is sub with 3 equipment. Okay, so first is an oil-free air compressor with 12 kilowatt hour, column fan 12 kilowatt hour, and water chiller 16.64 kilowatt hour. And there is another one is the air pump. Okay, so with the air pump is 4 kilowatt hour, and the printing machine with 1.44 kilowatt hour. Okay, and for the LED lamp, the LED lamp overall is 2.56 kilowatt hour, and the wall fan is 0.8 kilowatt hour. Okay, next is the first floor aircon split unit. Okay, 56.256 kilowatt hour, and the cloth cutter with 1 unit and with 1.28 kilowatt hour, and the sewing machine with 88 kilowatt hour. The wall fan is 0.8 kilowatt hour, and the LED lamp is 6.4 kilowatt hour. So for the overall for the per day power consumption with 8 hour estimation is 473.904 kilowatt hour, while for per month is 14 217.12 kilowatt hour. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you.
Greetings again. Now I'll be discussing about the analysis of the energy audit that we have conducted based on the energy consumption on equipments which are being used at the premise. And here we have listed down and tabulated the values of daily and also monthly energy consumption of the electrical equipments. Here they have 10 equipments in total: fluorescent lamp, wall lamp, air pump, printing machine, air pressure cloth cutter, roller transfer printing machine, solenoid iron, cloth cutter, air conditioner split unit, and also sewing machine. And from here, we can observe and also understand. Before we further into the analysis, I have to mention that the upcoming datas or these tables are actually predicted values and assumption based on the net energy consumption or the maximum energy consumption. It may vary according to the usage in the real world application. And here there are a total of 10 equipments. From here we can notice that the highest energy consuming product or the equipment is roller transfer printing machine, which consumes 224 kilowatt per hour for daily energy consumption, which also leads to a monthly energy consumption of 6,720 kilowatt per hour. And to be noted that this is again this is to be noted that this is a net energy calculation, not the exact value. Apart from that, air conditioner portable units ranks the second, followed by the cloth cutter for the highest energy consumption of the equipments. And this may vary according to the production and also the demand of the customers.
Hi, my name is John. My card address is 211090988. Today I want to present the analysis of the energy consumption by ground floor area. As you can see here is the electric equipment. They got a sewing machine, solenoid iron, roller transformer, printer machine, oil-free air compressor, coolant fan, water chiller, air pump, and LED lamps, wall fan. Here is the unit, the rated power, and then the daily operation period. Then here is the calculator, the daily energy consumption. Here's the daily, and then the down is the total unit. As you can see, they also got the ground floor office area, which is using the aircon, speed unit, printing machine, and LED. Okay, next is the first floor air room. They got the aircon, speed unit, wall fan, sewing machine, and LED. As you can see, here room is the same thing because they are using for the worker doing things also same. So normally the energy consumption will be same. So for the storeroom, they got LED, LED, and protector. Then you can see the 67.2 totally money. Okay, the next is our first floor brick area. They only have the LED lamps only. Okay, as you can see, the energy consumption by area for the ground floor brick area, they consist 61, and then the first floor B room consists 16, and the second is 15 for the first floor A room, and then the 7% is for ground floor office area, and then the purple color is 0%, and then the big area first floor is 1%. That's all for me.
Okay, so good day, doctor. My name is Lee Yisheng, and today I'm gonna be presenting about the recommendations that were given to the owner of the shop. So, the first no-cost recommendation that was given to the owner was to always clean the cover of the fans in the buildings. So during our visit, we noticed that the cover were quite dusty. So dusty fans will always result in a low efficiency of the fans. So it is best if they can clean the cover of the fans on a regular basis. The next suggestion that was given to the owner was to always clean the filters of the air conditioners. Just like the fans, the air conditioners were like poorly maintained and very dusty. Dusty air conditioners, just like fans, will produce low efficiency and consume more power. And the third suggestion that was given to the owner was to always turn off the electrical appliances whenever there's no one in the room. So during our visit, we noticed that in the room there was like no people in the room, but all the lights, the air conditioners, and the fans were on. So this will result in energy wastage and should be avoided. So, and the last no-cost recommendation that was given is that they should avoid turning on the lights, the fans, and the air conditioners when unnecessary. So for example, it's 9 a.m. in the morning, the weather is not that hot, the sun is pretty efficient. to light up the room. So in this case scenario, they should avoid turning on the lights, the fans, and the air conditioners. This will help them cut down on so much electrical costs, and is a very effective way to cut down energy wastage. So through simple estimation, it can be predicted that the energy usage will go down from 14,217 kilowatt hours down to 8,368 kilowatt hours. So through simple calculation, it can be estimated that the energy saved will be around 41.13%. Through simple calculation, the pricing of the electric bill will go from 7,221 down to 4,244 ringgit. So an estimated of 41.22% will be saved. So now I'm gonna talk about the low cost recommendations that we gave to the owner. So during our audit, we noticed that they had a lot of old air conditioners just in the building, and they were highly inefficient as they had only 2 stars rating. So we suggested them to change into a 5-star air conditioner as it is more power efficient. So according to TCL, 2-star rating air conditioners use up 40% more energy than the 5-star rating. So it is estimated that if we switch from 2-star air conditioners to 5-star air conditioners, an average of 1 kilowatt will be saved for every aircon. So if we convert this to kilowatt hour per month, we can obtain a saving of 120 kilowatt hours per month for every air conditioning unit. So there were 3 air conditioners in the building, so a total of 360 kilowatt hours will be saved every month. And through some simple calculations, we can obtain that the payback period for an air conditioner is around 37.65 months, which is almost equal to 3 years. The total energy savings, through some simple calculation, we can also conclude that the percentage of energy saved will be 4.3% if we switch to 5-star air conditioners. The amount of money saved if we switch from 2-star to 5-star air conditioners will be around 3.33%.
Our assignment. So in conclusion, this energy audits for commercial properties has been provided helpful data on how much power is used. By analysis energy usage pattern and identify area for improvement, we have formulated the practice cost-effective recommendation for the energy saving. Implementing this recommendation can lead for reduced energy use, low utility costs, and support environmental sustainability for the commercial. This energy audit assignment has been highlighted the significance of the energy efficiencies and conservation, showing the positive impact that can be achieved. By taking the action and implementing energy saving measure, we can contribute to a more sustainable future. That's all for me. Thank you.